Welcome back, YouTube. So last night we had a crappy video about the low oil injector tank aftermarket level sensor kit with an LED light. That was my mistake. I should have did a better video for you guys. So let's show you what's up. So you see the red LED light. That means that the tank is low, and I ran out of the right oil to put in the tank to figure out if it will go off. So when the float goes up, that light will go off. As the float goes down, that will go off. So you can see that this gauge is working pretty well. Let me open this up. Let's do it from back here. And let's turn on my flashlight. So now if you look at the tank, right, that's where I cut a hole in it and put the sensor in, and then I threaded it into there with sealer, and then I mucked it all in, and then the harness comes through the sensor fitting, so I mucked them in too. But then you can see that this tank is about probably a little over half, and the light is still on saying that it's low. So what I'm curious is how much further will it need to go to trip it to go off, because I don't usually like to fill the tank up so it doesn't leak a whole lot. But I'm hoping just a little bit more, and then that will go off. The light will go off, and then about halfway, the low oil light will warn you that it's coming on, which is a good safe thing in my opinion. You don't want it to come on when a tank's super low, because you really don't know how low it is. But I just wanted to show you guys that because we did a crappy video yesterday. But it does work. But what I want to show you also is the part number for the kit that I used. And my problem was the factory low oil switch was screwy, and I swapped it with a used one. It was still screwy, so I didn't know if the computer had a problem or not. That's why I just said screw it, I'm going to upgrade all the instrumentation. So that's the kit that I went with. So you can see here, when it's down, it triggers it, and then when it goes up, it goes off. So I'll do another video on where I have it set, because now I have it set flush with the top of this nut. And I can probably, move it up or down a little bit, but let me see where it's at once I get some more oil, because I'm using specific oil in this ski, and I don't like to use anything else. See if the can's still in here. So this is the stuff that I use. And then here's my old tank, which I believe was leaking too. You can see where I whacked a hole in it. And I had a spare tank already that I ordered. But I think it was leaking from the seam over here too, so it was just a big mess. I said, screw it, let me just change this whole thing out and start from scratch. Thanks for watching.